Okay, welcome back again to Smart Depot, and I woke up today to a very sad news that one of my favorite actors, Chadwick Boseman, you know him from the popular Black Panther movie, is no more with us. The family released an official statement today on his official Twitter account. He's been battling with colon cancer for the past 4 years. Our thoughts and prayers are with the family. And to everyone out there who has lost someone or something precious in this already terrible 2020, be strong, this too will pass. So welcome back now. Let's talk about how to make one-click backup for everything iPhone or iPad. And this is interesting because you just need a phone, your connection. Even if you're using a Windows PC, you should still be able to do this by installing iTunes in your Windows PC. And once you've done that, you're good to go. One click and you back up everything in your phone. But before we go into talking about let's talk a little about our giveaway that's still going on. We are giving this away, and you can follow us on social media handles and you see on the screen, and make sure you subscribe to know more about this giveaway. So let's continue. You can automatically back up things in your iPhone or iPad by going to setting, go down to iCloud, and then use turn on iCloud Drive and turn on backup. You can choose the applications and the things you want to be backed up, including your photos, videos, every other thing you have in the app. Once you turn it on, you say OK, and your backup will be turned on automatically. You can also manually back up at any time by clicking on backup now. But then there is a challenge, storage challenge. If you don't have enough storage, your backup will not just work. So there is 5 gig for everyone who joins Apple, and then there's 50 gig for $0.99, and then 200 for $2.99, and you can share that with about 6 family members. But if you don't have the money and you still want to do the backup, let's try this one. This one doesn't involve anything much apart from having a PC or Mac, and then you install iTunes. If you're using, I'm using actually Windows PC here. Install iTunes, connect your device, click on the phone icon as you see right now, and it will open details about the Apple phone or product that you connected to the system. So once you open it up, you'll see something like the capacity of the storage, the serial number, and then you see the records. If you've backed up before, you're going to see the records. There is even an option to back up on iCloud, but as we know, you're very known about the storage challenges. So with this also comes very, very important aspects. You can back up now, and you can even restore whatever you've backed up. You can see the last time you backed up on this particular device or system, and then you can also see option to do encryption. There's iCloud option, and then encryption is important because it will allow you to save password and other important data that is in your phone. So select encryption and you can use any password. Now some people don't understand this side. It mustn't be your own Apple ID password, which I actually advise you not to. Use any other secure password and then verify it, and you are good to go. So it will estimate the time, and in a few minutes, depending on the size of what you're backing up and the speed of your connection and phone, you should be able to back up quickly. And with this, you back up everything that is in your phone. Everything. I mean everything from apps, contacts, storage, app data, everything. And this is one of the things why I love an iPhone over Android. There is no one-click backup for Android. So I'm going to do the one for Android next. So make sure you click on the subscribe button, and that one will be about 7 methods to back up everything. So let me hear from you in the comment section, and until I see you next time, peace. Subscribe. I'll see you.